Heck, hello?
Hi, sir. Sir, can I go to toilet for a while?
Oh yeah, sure, sure.
I'll be right back.
Oh yeah. Summer talks are him speak. It's only Monday. See actions break. See early start. You're gonna sit and watch. The news will hear you fudge. It's only Tuesday. Never thought of sunshine. It's all was new. One never comes until it's too late. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Here, pacha pacha, pacha pacha, pacha pacha.
Okay, sir. Sir?
Hello? Check, check,
Wait.
check. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hi?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Hello?
Yeah, my volume.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Well, how are you? Well, yeah.
Good, sir.
Okay. Oh, I think, are you okay?
Yeah, I just took a shower.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Well, you can turn off your camera if you want. I mean, maybe you want to uh okay. Okay. Yeah, I have to say first I have to ask you about our last meeting. Your last meeting actually.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, how was that? Do you have question maybe for me?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? But oh, excuse me. I think your camera is broken. Well, yeah. It's
Oh.
hold on.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh yeah.
What is
I
happening?
think that's my connection, but I'm wrong with that.
No,
Okay.
I see the flicker.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. Uh, yeah. Do you have question for
Uh,
our last meet? Your last meeting. Excuse me.
no.
No. Everything's clear.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Then I think I wanna uh show you something first. Okay. So first of all, I wanna show you this stuff. Aha. So now maybe it's not uh, from now, but this is kind of new appearance of Algonova. Okay, Felsia.
Yeah.
So you can see the clear path. Where will you go after this lesson, and the other lessons? Okay, and
Okay.
then this is the second things, and then this is the first thing. The second thing is do you play Roblox, Felsia?
I do.
You do? Well, actually, we can play a game in a community, especially. So when you go to Algonopa's website, go to the community page. Of course, you have to log in first, and then you just need to filter it into Roblox. Well, you can find many projects here, and you can play the project, or you can play a game just like this. Let me show you. Shooter game Chui. Wow, I don't know what's this. And then you will be able to click the link that the developer provides for you. Okay, like this. Unfortunately, Pelsia, I do not have a Roblox account, so I because I don't play Roblox. Excuse me for that. But when you have a Roblox account, you can just log in and then play this game. I think it will be uh, fun. I don't know. I'm not a Roblox player, but I just wanna tell you that we have something like this in our platform. You just need to go to the community, and you can, yeah, do filtering here. Like if you know about Scratch, you can also play Scratch. And then if you know about Python, hey, yeah, you are you are Python students, Python, and then many more here. Pelsia, you just need to check it out. Okay,
Okay.
Pelsia. Okay, I think that's my
Promotion.
introduction. Yeah. Have you played to this community? Have you played the game?
No. No.
No? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, you can try it later. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll talk about this one. Uh-huh. Random and time module spells here. Okay? So before we go to to this lesson, you know what? Function is uh the code that you should be uh it's needed, Felsia. I mean, if you don't understand about function, you will get a trouble in future when you create a project or your hackathon or something like that. That's why I was asking you our perspective. Do you understand what function, Felsia?
Yeah.
Truly.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then let's get started. So, today we'll talk about random and time modules. But before we go to the coding section, I want to tell you why do we need to use these two modules. Okay? Well, this is kind of the story of why do we need to use first random module, and then later I'll explain to you why do you need to use time module. Okay. When you want to create a code like this, Pelsia, let's say you have a problem like this, you have to write a code that if you enter a number in here, your code can give you a number, but you this is not how to say that arbitrary number, but this is random number from these numbers that you have been entered in here. So just like when you enter 11 here, so it can return team 7 and team 1, but that's randomly. Okay, the question is how we can create it, how we can create something like this. Well, this is why we need to use a random number, a random module. That's the first thing. Okay. The second thing is why do we need to use time module? Let me explain to you about the preview first, and then I tell you what is our goal for today. And the time module is used for when you want to count how many times or how long your program will be running. Pelsia, it means that you need to use something just like timer inside your program. And then in this case, time module will helps you. Okay? Will help you. Just like that, Pelsia. And then this is the function in time module. We call it as a time sleep, and run is not the part of time module, but we will use it also later. Okay. Now that's the review of or the story. Why do we need to use random and time module? And then what is our goal for today? Okay, this is the goal of today, Pelsia. You will explore and apply the advanced features of Python standard library. In detail, you will learn what is Python standard library first, and then explore and implement capabilities of random and time modules. Okay? Okay, let's get started from random module first. Okay, Felsia. You know what? In Python, because Python it's high uh or I can say it's advanced language programming. So it you know consists of a module, and then this is the standard module in Python. First is random, second is time, and also you will learn about turtle, and then OS module, and many more. Now, why we call them as a standard library? The reason is because you do not need to install all of them. Okay, so it's carried out. It's carries out by Python. Okay, Felsia. So you do not need to install them. It means that you just need to connect with them, and then you just need to utilize them for your code. Okay. Now what? Now let's talk about random module. Well, what is random module? Random module contains tools for generating random values, Pelsia. And then two functions that you will use later. First, randit. Second is random. Okay? Randit and random. Randit will generate an integer number for you in a certain range, of course. And then this is how you can do it. Randit, the first number, and then the second number, and then the range is just b minus a, like that. And random will allow you to generate a random decimal number from 0, not include 1, almost 1. So the maximum value is 0.999 Celsius. Okay, it cannot be 1. That is my point. Okay, now how we can connect or how we can utilize all of the modules? Well, we have three ways in this case. First, you need to say import random or import whatever the module that you want to use. Of course, standard library. Okay, and then when you use the first step or the first way is you need to specify, you need to mention it again, Velsia, and then you need to mention what kind of function that you want to use inside this module, this library.
Gosh,
Okay? Uh-huh.
I'm I still don't understand what it's for.
Oh, what is random module for?
Yeah.
Oh, let me explain to you with the code section later. But
Um,
I wanna make it
yeah, yeah, yeah.
clear for the theoretical concept. Okay. This is how this is the first way how you can connect with the random module, Velsia. And then the second way, you need to say from random, import the specific function. Okay? And then the third way, you need to say from random, import star. And star, you can say all or you can say everything. Okay? So this is for me, I always say from random, import everything. And then if you do these ways, I mean, from random import randit, the specific function, and from random import stars. So you do not need to mention the random again, but you just need to mention the specific function directly, like this. Okay, well, yeah. Now let me show you using code.
I think it's better if you explain like
It's better. Okay.
example, yeah. Cause like the last teacher,
The last teacher,
I kind of like he's better at
he,
explaining the theories, right? And I was like,
oh, so, but uh, I mean, there is no code section. I
uh,
mean,
there is
he didn't.
but not that much.
Not. Oh,
Kebanyakan
okay.
teori.
Okay, okay. Okay. So now, Pelsia, we are at lesson. This one, Pelsia. 12, I guess. Yes, 12. And then this one. Let's start from number one. Okay, Pelsia. Or let's use laboratory maybe. Ya udah, ini aja deh supaya nanti kita dapat melihat langsung soalnya. Okay, Pelsia. This is it. So first one, Pelsia, we have three ways to connect with random module. Okay, and then I want to show you first what is random module maybe. Okay, so let me make it white like this. Okay, first when you want to use random module, Pelsia, you need to connect with random module, and then this is the first way to connect with random module. Import random like this. Okay. Now, first way to connect with random module.
What does import mean in this?
Oh, it calls the random module inside a Python language program.
Wait, sir. Oh yeah, import and input beda ya?
uh, yes,
Oh
that's
yeah.
different.
Wait, so import is
Import that this is basically will connect you with the random itself. So it's like this is your workspace, Pelsia. Let me
yeah.
visualize it. This is your workspace, okay? And then in your workspace, you have Python as a language, okay? So you do uh, coding using this language, okay? It's like a print or something like that. But something that you have to know also is Python has many library or many modules like that. And these modules, it will not active when you if you do not connect with them like
Yeah.
that. Okay, so it's like, okay, this is, let's say the name is random, and then this is, oh, it's so bad. Hold
It's
on.
okay.
Okay. And then this one is time, Pelsia, time. And then this one is also we have turtle. 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 Okay, Pelsia. Now, if you do not connect with them and you call the function, I mean the function is, let's say random module has function rendit, and then rendit will generate a certain integer number for you. Okay, it means that there's nothing happens because you are not connected with that module. Now, to connect with them, you need to say import, oops, you need to say import random or import the name of your module, name of the module like this, Pelsia. Okay? Or the second way is you just need to say from the module's name, in this case random, import the function that you want to use. In this case, let's use rendit first. Okay? This is the function.
Wait, what is from?
From it's it's like you want to call a specific function, but it's like, oh, I want to call something from
From
here.
random. Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, from random. Okay, and this is you should say, don't say import from. Okay, you should say from first, then import.
Import
Okay.
from. Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, and then the last way that you can use is, oops, excuse me, from random import everything or stars. But we you can pronounce it as everything or all. Okay, it means that you import all of the functions that random module contains. Okay, Felsia.
Okay.
So from rendit, shuffle, and then, oops, excuse me, shuffle, and then random itself. So it's kind of weird, but the name of the module it's same with the name of the function. You do not need to confuse with that. Okay, this is three ways of that. Now I want to show you first for the first way, Valsia. Okay, so let's say you are using this first way. First way. So import random. Now, when you want to create something like, okay, I want to generate a random number from 1 until 100. How I can do that? Well, you can do it like this. Print, you need to mention the main library or the main random or the main module like this, dot, and then what function that you want to use. In this case, random from 1 until 100. Now, if you run your code, you'll see something like 21. Rerun your code, 25. It's a random number from 1 until 100.
Wait, this is
Okay?
fun.
Oh, random. Excuse me. That's random. Random is you want to randomize an integer number, Felsia.
An integer.
Okay?
Kalau yang what is it? The decimal.
Random. Oh yeah. If you want to use random, it will
Oh, decimal.
produce. Yeah, you do not need to specify the number inside the parentheses. This is
Yeah.
what will happen. Okay, so
Okay.
and if you want to produce a kind of, okay, I wanna let's say you wanna make a number it's just you know main-main sama angka. Jadi if you want to create a decimal number but it has a tens, so you can multiply the random by 100 like this, Velsia. Okay, you got it, Velsia?
Yeah. Sir,
Okay, yes, do you have
it
question?
ada yang for the letters gak, like alphabets?
You mean you can random an alphabet?
Yeah. Like word.
Oh, oh no, there is no, Python has no something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, but alternatively uh, yeah, itu NLP ya sebenarnya. Yeah, it's a kind of advanced method of machine learning, Pels, yeah. Because when we talk about ladder, yeah, it's complicated. Pels. I'm so sorry. Okay, okay, but Python has no module for randomize what a ladder, Pels, yeah. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Now the second way, Pels, yeah, you can specify the function that you want to use. And then this is how you can do that. From random, import, let's say you want to use random. Now the difference is you do not need to mention the random again. Okay, so you just need to say random, and then from 0, oh, it's not 0, 1 until 10 maybe. Let me, this one maybe 90. I'll make sure everything's nice. Okay, now if you run the code, you'll see something like this. Okay, Velsia? So
Okay.
it's randomly. Okay, and then the last way is from random import everything. And then, the disadvantage of this method is you need to know what kind of function this module has, just like randit and the other function. And to do that, you can, do searching in this case, and then just say what kind of function that random module has. Aha. And then it will give you something like this: random, uniform, randit, rand range, and then many more. Choices, shuffle, and many more. Like that, Telsia.
What is
Okay?
that?
So, what?
Ini apa, sir?
Oh, this is a kind of a function inside random module.
A
I mean,
function.
yeah, it's not just a random, it's not just a random,
Oh,
but
oh,
it
okay, okay.
has many more. Uniform, rand range, and choices, shuffle. Okay, you can
What
try
is,
all of it.
so what is a module?
Module, module. No, no. I mean,
Like in
oh, I haven't explained about module, right?
I think you
Have
did.
I? Oh, okay, okay. Module is a bunch of function, Felsia. So you will create your own module later. So it's like, you know, uh, in school, if you have a module, so it consists of many lessons, right? Many
Yes.
many yeah. It in programming, it's like you have a book, and then inside that book you have many tools, and then that tools you can utilize to do something. Just like you have a random module, inside that I can generate a random number using that module, like that. Okay, that's a great question, and I'm so sorry I forgot to explain to you. Okay, you got
Can,
it.
can you make a conclusion?
What? Oh, yeah. Conclusion.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so random a module is something like, maybe it's better to use something like this, maybe, fellas. Yeah, hold on, let
Okay.
me comment this one, and then let's use okay. So imagine you have a book. Okay, fellas. Yeah,
Okay.
and then let's say math book. Okay, so the first lesson uh in this book is talking about, let's say, functions. You know functions, spells? Yeah. uh, let's say I do not use function. Maybe how to count an area. Okay, so
Okay.
count an area. This is the first lesson.
Uh huh.
The second lesson is about how you can count a volume. Okay, and then the third lesson is how you can you know uh uh,
Ya, pokoknya different.
okay, okay. It's like a combination of area and volume, like that. Okay. Now, a module, like when you want to solve something, Felsia, when you want to solve something, I mean, this is your workspace. You just need to memorize this stuff, or you just need to call them. Let's say you have how to count area formulation here. So you just need to call this stuff or memorize it, and then you utilize it to solve your problem, like that. So a module like a bunch of functions that you can use to solve a problem. Okay,
Bunch of
it
functions.
yeah, it consists of
A bunch of
a
functions.
bunch. Yes, exactly. Like random module, it consists of random function, random function,
What about
shuffle function.
what
Mhm.
about input function? Itu model
Oh,
function.
that no, that's just a function. That's
So
just a
not all
function.
functions have models. And
Exactly right.
from models.
Yeah, exactly. So it's like this is a random module, and this is a function in Python. So it's like not, but it's that in module. You got it?
Yeah, I'm gonna take my notes and write that down. Wait.
Okay. That's a great question, by the way. Shooting game. I want to play this stuff, but I don't have Roblox account. Oh my god. Aduh, nggak apa-apa deh. Saya bukan pemain Roblox. Oke,
Okay.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, I just want
So
to take my notes.
print function, input function is not a module. It's just a function. Okay, Velsia?
Okay.
Okay. Now, let's see the problem, Velsia. Okay, there we go. Let me zoom out it. Okay, Velsia. So we have to create a program. Go Ahead is holding a lottery to celebrate the channel's birthday. Picks the box in the program that generates a random ticket number and prints the result. If the ticket number coincides with otherwise, okay. So first is this. Oh, we just need to fix the problem, Pelsia. Okay. So the first one from random import, there is no function named rand in random module, so it should be randed. Okay, Pelsia. Or if you do not want to use that way, you can say from random import everything like
Oh,
this.
I forgot to ask, what does it
Oh
mean,
yeah,
everything?
everything means that all of the function. So remember that uh, random module has many functions.
Yeah.
When you say from random import star, Pelsia, it means that you call all of the function inside this module.
Yes.
Okay? But when you do not use this way, it means that you need to specify what function that you want to use, just like randit or a shuffle, like this, Pelsia. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. But I prefer to use import everything, Pelsia, because yeah, it's I can say I know what kind of function that random has. So I do not want waste my time like that. Okay, so win number is equal to this is based on the description we have. The winning number is 1,010, and then this is we create a variable, and then we have a randit function here. Randit is coming from 1,000 till 3,112, and then what?
So,
Print lottery ticket.
itu kan everything, right? And then yang di
Yes.
nomor 5, it says random. Random.
Yes. Yeah, random. You're right.
But if we use import random, then at the at the line 5, we don't have to use random. Huh?
What do you mean? What do you mean, Pasya?
Uh, um, uh, tadi yang ada like, I forgot, like random dot random. Which one is that?
Oh yes, that's the first way. I mean, I use the
Oh,
yeah the third way to connect with random module.
wait, there's
But
a
if
second.
you yes, the first way is import random.
Oh yeah, the
Oh,
dot one.
import random. Excuse me. Okay, so when you call the random, you need to say random dot random.
Okay.
Okay, but I do not want to use this way because I have to mention it again and again when you want to use a function from random.
Okay.
I mean, like when you want to use random, you need to say random dot random again, just
Uh,
like this. That's why I prefer to use the third way from random import everything. So I do not need to mention random again.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. So random, but because we have a current number here and the current number should be from here, it means that we can assign random function to the current number variables like this files here. Okay. And then this is not right because this is an expression, Felsia. Don't forget the equal sign should be double.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Now, if you run your code, boom, your number is 1,873. Better luck next time. Yeah, because that this is not the winning number. Okay?
Wait,
The
so
winning number is
I can make a lottery ticket?
exactly right.
So fun.
Yes. Yes, you're right, Pels. Yeah. That's why random uh number here because we have a problem like create something, yeah, like lottery or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I have a trick for you. When you want to win this lottery, you need to kind of kind of do not use a wide range. Just use like I wanna randomize a number from 1,000 until 1,010. This is will make your number if not 1,000, so it will be 1,001. If not, it 1,002. I mean, the range is
Yeah,
not
sure, sure, sure.
what. Yeah, you got it. Okay. Aha. Yeah. Oh, ya udah itu aja. Susah juga ya. Okay,
Oh,
this
it
is the
says
first. This is the first task, Trausia. I mean, this is how you can use random or random module. Okay. Now let me explain to you about time module before you go to practice. Okay.
oh wait, this is random module and then there's time module.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So maybe okay. Maybe I want to clear this code, Trausia. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, it's almost same. When you want to connect with time module, you just need to say from time, import everything. Okay. Now, why do we need to use time module? First thing I want to tell you is time module will return how many seconds from 1970s, I guess. Hold on. I think it's 1970s. Wait. Yes, from 1970, 1st January 1970s till now, till this day, fellas. Yeah. Okay. How many seconds? Remember, milliseconds actually. It means that when you print time, it will return something like this. I think this is one,
Oh,
two. Yeah, this is 1 trillion, 753 billions, blah blah blah, milliseconds, spells, yeah. Okay, and if you convert it, yeah, it's relate with this time to this or present. Now, pals, yeah, why do we need to use this? Let's
wait,
say you. Mm-hmm.
wait, I have so many questions.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Um, um,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Kenapa ya? Oh ya, itu the PPT slides
The what? The
and
PPTs, the
the,
PPT,
the slides. Is it in GDocs?
GDocs. What is GDocs? Pals,
Yang
yeah.
the slides. Yeah,
Oh
that.
yeah.
Is it like gonna be sent?
Oh yes, yeah, sure. If you want.
Oh yes, please. I need them.
Okay, okay, okay,
I
pals,
need
yeah.
all of them then, like starting from the first meeting.
Oh sure, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
But if you want to just see the link, that also fine. I mean, many it will consume many storage if I send you all of the files. Well, yeah.
Oh, send
You
you
want?
the link. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and then kan
Yes.
modules we know there's time and what is it, random, right? Are there
Random.
any more modules?
Yes. That's great question. Hold on.
So I
Aha.
thought module is like the thing, module 3, lesson 3.
Module. Oh no. No. yeah, it's almost same. It's like
Istilah,
when
like metaphor.
yes, exactly.
Oh ini. Oh, okay.
Yes.
I need this.
So Hurdle is also module, Velsia. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So OS, it's also module, time, and
Only
many
this.
more.
Oh, many more. Oh.
Yeah, many more.
Okay.
So later, when you go to the Python start second year, you will need a complex module to create your app, of course, your game more
Okay.
properly. Okay. So today we learn about random and time, and after this module has been finished, you will learn about turtle module.
Yay.
Okay. So I will explain to you about time first, spells, yeah, because this is quite important. So
Okay.
time module will return how many seconds uh do we have till this day, Felsia. Okay, and then if you run the code like time like this, Felsia, so it will produce something like this.
What does
Okay,
that
so
even mean?
what?
What does that even mean? Like kan ditampilin. Emang itu apa, sir?
It, how many seconds? Jadi ini jumlah detik dari
Random.
tahun 19 no, no. Ini jumlah detik dari tahun 1970 sampai 2025 ini. Jadi 1 triliun 1 miliar ya 753.879.379 detik till today.
So like if you keep on pressing the start button, it will change.
Yes, because time is running, right, Welsia?
Wait, why is it from 1970?
I don't know. Maybe because uh,
Is there like a history
the
behind that?
yes, of course. Maybe this is the first time. Where is it?
Wait, that's so
Oh,
cool.
oh yeah. Loh, mana dia ya? Bentar.
Hilang saya.
No, 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 no. Where are you? Ah, this one, Welsia. For Unix system, this is 1st January 1970s. 70 actually. Jadi pada tahun 1970 mulai penghitungan waktunya.
Wow.
I don't know the reason, but maybe maybe ini adalah pembuatan atau jadinya sistem ini pertama kali. Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Makes sense.
Okay. Now, why do we need to learn this? Okay, Halsia, let's say you want to create something, and then the title of your program is count time, how many times, how long, say how long. Okay, and then you want to say start is equal to time. So basically this is will run start time for you, Velsia. Okay, how long? This long. This is jumlah detiknya hingga saat ini, but ini bukan kegunaannya. This is how you can do it. So let's say you want to, create something like uh, typing. Typing is equal to input. Okay, and then give me 10 words. I I will show you uh, how how many times that you need to type them. Okay. Okay, Velsia. Now let's create the second variable. N is equal to time again. Oops, hold on. Okay. Now, when you print the difference between and start or the subtraction of them, you'll see something like this. Okay. Now it will count your program. And then I will say, okay, my name is blah, 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 blah. And then hit enter. Okay, you need 10 seconds, Felsia. 10.80 blah, blah, blah seconds to type this stuff. Okay?
Wait, it's like accurate. Like for example, I type really slow, and then the seconds are gonna be like.
Yes, of course. Okay? This is how you can. Yeah, this is one of the ability of time module. Okay?
I think my favorite
Felsia?
module is time.
No, you haven't met the other one,
Oh
the
yeah.
other modules. Yeah, I like Pygame and PyQt.
Wait,
It's
sorry.
a yes.
Itu,
Mm-hmm,
huh?
mm-hmm.
Wait. Um. Itu the n is a variable, right?
Yes,
And then equals to what is it?
time,
Time
time.
bracket.
Yeah, it's a function.
Oh,
Jadi it's like uh apa ya bahasanya? Uh Gini. Let's say you have starting point like
yeah.
this, Pels. Jadi ini tahun 1970 kan?
Yes.
Eh, ya, oh my God, bentar. Hold on. Eh, ini 1970. Oke. Till now, eh, 2025, 2025 gitu, Pels ya. So, kalau Pelsia merunning ini, kalau Pelsia merunning ini, dia akan mengembalikan berapa banyak detik dari tahun ini sampai tahun ini. Oke, itu yang pertama. That's the first thing. Oke, Pelsia. Atau
Yeah.
gini deh, mungkin ini jangan begini deh visualisasinya. Maybe like this. Ini starting pointnya Pelsia. This is the starting. This is the starting. Aduh, kecil banget. This is the starting point, Pelsia. Oke. Oke.
Okay.
Tahun ini 2025. I mean bukan bukan dari 1970. No. But it's 2025.
Okay.
Now, ketika Pelsia merunning kode ini, bentar ya, pelan-pelan. Ketika Pelsia merunning kode ini, otomatis kan ini akan berubah timenya. Tapi ini kayak titik pertamanya Pelsia mulai. Dan ini titik terakhirnya gitu. Jadi ini 1970 2025. Nah, Pelsia kayak mulainya itu menghitungnya yang ini nih. Dihitungnya dari sini. Nah, nanti programnya berjalan gitu. Nah, yang N ini sampainya di sini Pelsia. Dan nanti dikurangi ya akurat dong. I mean,
Yeah.
selisihnya kan tinggal waktu saat ini minus startnya. So it will produce 10 seconds. Oh, Pelsia, you need 10 seconds to,
Oh.
you got it? You
Yeah,
got
yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Wait.
yeah. That's how it works. Okay. Now the second function, Pelsia, when you want to kind of uh um do something like this, print. My name is Pelsia, and then the second step is print. I like to learn coding. Okay, and then the third one is what? My hobbies are drawing drawing and singing. Let's say your hobby is singing, Felsia. Now, if you run this code, boom. So this code will show in the same time, right, Felsia?
Yeah.
Right? I mean, boom, like that. There is no kind of this should be the first, this should be the second, and then this should be the third. Like it's at the same time, right?
Yeah.
Now, when you want to create something like, okay, should be the first, you need to use a function that can sleep your program. Okay, so let me show you. And this one is sleep 2 seconds. So it means that should be printing the first time. Okay, after that it will count 2 seconds, then it will print this code, and 2 seconds it will print this code. This is how it
Oh,
works. 1 2, I like to learn coding. 1 2, my hobbies are drawing and singing. You got it?
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's sleep. Okay, time and sleep.
I like.
So uh, that a function that you can use later to create your project, your big project, because you will create fast clicker game later.
Sir, kalau misalnya
Yes,
I want to say like sleep for 1 hour, so you have to like make the hour into seconds first, right?
exactly right. Yeah, well, you just need to use uh 1 hour is berapa ya? It's like
Hmm?
960 times 60, right? Well, yeah.
3,000 F 3,000 lagi.
Eh, yeah, you're right. 2,600. But it's like this is how many
Yeah,
you have to convert it, right?
yeah.
So 60 times 60. But it's too long, by the way. I mean,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just asking.
okay, that's how you can use time module and random module, Pelsia.
Okay.
Okay, do you have question?
Uh,
I think
no.
this is your turn to practice, Pelsia. Oh
Okay.
my God, 5 minute, 5 minute laps, 5 minutes lap, Pelsia. Excuse me. Yeah,
It's,
we can expand the time, by the way, if you want. 5 till 10 minutes.
can we expand it like for the next meeting?
Oh yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Of
Yeah,
course. I don't have uh or yeah, I don't have class after this. So the next meeting it's also fine.
yeah, because like I have like post test science tomorrow.
Oh, okay, 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 Pelsia. But everything's clear, right?
Everything's clear. Yep.
Okay. Okay. It means that let's recap for today's meeting, Pelsia. What did you learn?
I learned what module is.
Okay, one module. Okay. And then
Like two modules, time module and apa random modules.
random modules. Okay. Now, if I ask you about what is standard module, standard Python library modules, what is the definition of standard module? That 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 is standard module, but it's a time, turtle,
Oh,
and
wait, I
random
remember
module.
what you said. It's like the one you don't need to use apa download another app.
Exactly. You do not need to install or download them. So it Python.
Use Python. Yeah.
Yes, it's just yeah. You're right. And then could you tell me what kind of function that random module has? Spells yeah.
Apa yang Randy
Randint. Rand.
Randin
Okay.
Randin
And then,
um
well, what is that for?
it's for in, integers.
Integers. Generate
Oh,
an integer number.
yeah, and random
Yeah. Okay. Random. What is that for? Spells yeah.
decimal but apa cannot be one or more than one.
Exactly right. Okay. I forget to explain to you one thing, but yeah, we can. Yeah, I can explain it later, maybe for the next week.
Don't forget, sir.
Oh
About
yeah,
what?
okay,
About biar I catat, sir.
okay, okay, okay. How about sleep, fellas? Yeah, you got it. The idea of sleep.
Yeah.
Okay, and then time, not
Yeah.
the module, the function.
The function of time.
I mean, the module names is time, and then the function is also
Oh,
time, right? It's same. Like the module random has a function named random, like that.
okay.
So I mean, you understand how it
Wait.
works?
If the module is time, itu berarti yang kayak the one from 1970, right?
Yes, exactly.
And then if we use the function time, like wait, oh, I think it's because you used the star just now, deh. You
Yes,
know what?
yes,
Time,
yes,
the
yeah,
time
yeah.
time ini. What
You're
is
right.
the function time for?
It will return how many seconds till today, Felsia, from 1970.
Sama aja kayak modulnya dong.
No, I
Hah?
mean, so I have a book here, Felsia. I have a book here. Okay,
Okay.
this is my book. So let me show it. I have a book. Okay, so this book has a lesson exactly as the title, same as the title with this book. It's like time module has a function exactly same with the name of that module.
Okay.
So from time, import time, like that.
Not import everything. Import.
I- yeah, yeah, everything. If you know about all of the function, I mean, okay, when you say from time import everything, it means that you know about time function, sleep function, and many more function inside that time module.
Emang harus like know all of the
Oh
functions.
no, I mean not all fails. Yeah, I mean the function that you want to use, of course,
Uh,
at least.
okay, yeah, yeah, I get it. Oh,
You
yeah,
got it?
yeah. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's the difference between the second way and then the third way to connect to your module.
Okay.
Okay. And my final question is, uh, what is the easiest part of today's lesson, Pelsia?
Sleep.
Serious? Oh my God. Okay. And then the hardest part, could you tell me?
um, I think understand the definition of module deh.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, maybe. Okay, I'll try to visualize all of the definition later. Okay, I mean for the next week
Sir,
to
don't
make
forget
everything
to
clear.
send the thing, send the page. Apa sih
Oh
namanya?
yeah, yeah, sure. The
Yeah,
link. Okay, okay, okay. Sure. From the beginning, right?
yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. Okay. And Pelsia, I want to say thank you. You know what? When my student asked me about today's lesson, just like you, it's like, oh, my student uh like you know memperhatikan banget berarti gitu. And we love that. I mean, as tutor, like right, it means that kita tidak berbicara sia-sia ternyata, like that. And yeah, I just want to say thank you for that, Pelsia. And then uh maybe you do not really understand about module because this is the first time, and kind of I always say sekarang lessonnya di modul ini, and you kind of you know
You make it.
uh make it
Okay.
same definition, our module in Python and our module
In the
inside that.
terms of the
Yeah, exactly. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, Well, yeah, I think that's enough from me. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you at the next week. Okay?
So, thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.